What's up, 18? Welcome back. It's your girl Brittany.
And this your boy Vince.
And welcome back to another video.
Boom!
You guys, we are back with another video, and this one is different. We are actually doing a review on a product. We was sent this product by Bzseed to do a review, and all the opinions and everything we have to say is 100% ours.
Yeah, they didn't pay us. They paid for it, but they didn't pay us to, you know, tell y'all it tastes good, because I'm going to give y'all my honest truth.
Yeah, and let us know.
I'm going to speak my truth. If it's nasty, it didn't blend good, I'm going to let you know that it didn't blend good. So.
Yes, he will. Alright, so this is the blender right out of the box. And that is the box right there. Y'all, we are so excited to be doing this video. But okay, it does come with the USB port. This is what it came with. So you can plug it.
Yeah, for 2 to 3 hours, and it's got, I think it said 3 hours of charge.
But so yeah, so you can charge this in your car if you like. And
it also comes with once you get through blending, you come right here and you can take it with you.
Yes, it's a personal portable blender.
So when you get through blending, you take it to the gym. You can drink it as you go. It's got a handle on it. I mean, it's awesome. I can't wait to see how it blends. We got some fresh fruit here that we're gonna blend with some ice cream and some milk.
Yep, so that's one thing that I didn't get was the milk. All right, so we are going to get started using it. We got a banana.
Mango.
We got banana, mango, and some fresh strawberries, and milk, and I think that'll be all.
Vanilla ice cream.
Yes, we gotta get our ice cream. So yeah, so we going a little extra on our strawberry milkshake. It was supposed to be a strawberry milkshake, but what you got? Excited?
Yeah, so I'm gonna try mango strawberry too. I like mango and strawberry together. So.
Okay. Well, all right, stay tuned and let's see how this all blended. I'm super excited because it is time for a little dessert. So, all right, stay tuned. All right, we got everything situated, so we are going to start and making our strawberry mango / banana smoothie. All right. Oh, he's gonna just well, I thought he was, but he walked off. We just wanted to show you how easy it is to clean. All I did was take it out of there. And this is what it looks like. It's so easy to clean. And this is glass, you guys. And these are the blenders, so you have to be careful. But you don't have the options of a smoothie, milkshake, juice. I mean, you just got on and off, okay? What'd you say? Yes. One speed. One speed. On and off and one speed.
Got to cut the mango.
Oh, we forgot to cut the mango, so he's cutting the mango, but I can still go back over this for you. It does have a top, so when we get ready to blend, and then if you want to take it to go, then you put this holder on it. And then you would turn it over and put this on the bottom. Which can be charged by power bank, card, laptop. Every charge can produce 15 to 20 cups / drinks. That's what I was trying to say. Once you charge it, the 3 to 4 hours when you first get it, you can get 15 to 20 drinks out of it before having to charge it again. This is safe for kids at home. Built-in safety feature prevents overheating. After blending 20 seconds, it will shut off. Alright, he got everything cut up. Alright, you guys, so...
And then ice cream.
Alright, 2 scoops of ice cream. Oh yeah, guys, and it did come with the, a little brush for cleaning. Look like a little toothbrush. Alright, bananas. Oh, you put strawberries?
Yeah, right. Banana strawberry. He does banana strawberry first. That's a lot.
That's a lot?
I mean, go ahead.
All that.
Bananas.
Y'all, and it is personal. So you're not doing this for 5 people.
This not. I don't want the mangoes in there.
Huh?
I don't know. I don't want to taste what I want to.
Oh my goodness! Now you don't want the mangoes?
Not with the bananas. I don't know about the taste, but.
Okay. All right. Let's make sure that's in there.
I'm sure put the milk in there.
I'm trying to stuff it down in there.
I'm sure put the milk in there. It's good.
All right, you guys. So we got everything in there. Cut it on. That looks yummy. That looks yummy. Okay, so it did stop on its own, you guys.
Oh my God, it's smooth.
Is it?
Yeah. It is good to go. Let me try. Let me get my own straw.
It smoothed it up. Perfect.
Get your straw there.
I mean, it smoothed it up. Perfect.
It is good. It is.
It smoothed it right on up.
Let's make another one.
But this time we'll do the mango. Well, alright, you guys. It looks like that it was
a success.
I mean, it was a success. So, I mean, it went very smooth. And you see all the pieces that we had, and it did what it said it would do. After 20 seconds, it would shut off, and it blended it perfectly. So I don't have anything bad to say about it. Everything went smooth. It went as it said it would do.
You make a lot while you talking.
If you would like to purchase this for yourself, the link will be down in the description box. And also, before you purchase the product, if you want to get cash back for purchasing this, for buying this, you can download Ebates. It's an online app that gives you a percentage back of whatever you purchase online. So we will put that link down below. So if you want to download Ebates first, then go through Ebates to go through Amazon to purchase this, you'll get money back. So it looks like he's going to be blending stuff all night long.
Blend master.
Blend master. But yeah, so, alright, this was a successful video. Thank you so much, Bzseed, for sending us this product. And we will see you guys on the next video. You gonna say bye?
Bye-bye. It's time to eat up.
We are finished filming, and we have made about 3 more smoothies after filming. Oh my gosh, he putting cookies in here. Babe, you going too far now.
No, you said we was through filming now.
Baby, who put chocolate chip cookies in a smoothie? This is supposed to be a healthy smoothie. Strawberries.